Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here. Currently, I'm standing outside the former Ocean Holiday Motel because you guys have been asking me for an update on the construction of this place, because I believe the last time we did one was probably in July, but not much has happened, and so that's why I never actually came over here to do a video for you guys. But today I am happy to announce that I have the blueprints to the entire building. And so we're gonna walk around the building, give you guys a little idea what it looks like. And we have the drone with us, so we'll put the drone in the sky. That way we can compare some of the photos. Now, before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Now, for those who have no idea what I'm talking about, Icona, who has properties in Diamond Beach, Cape May, and in Avalon, they bought the Ocean Holiday about a year ago, and they started with this brand new project where they're going to turn this motel into a top-of-the-line, 4-star, almost 5-star motel with a 2-story pool, or a pool in the 2nd story, additional hotel rooms going this way, and originally we're going to have another floor in here, but I don't think that's happening anymore. But as they started ripping it all down, and we were giving you guys videos on how they were doing it, COVID-19 hit in March. They had to stop construction, and it sat, at least until now. We're in October. And today, once again, is the first time I'm seeing movement on here. So the first blueprint we're going to take a look at, which, by the way, I originally was recording this outside, but the wind got really bad. But the first blueprint we're looking at is the side and the front and back of the building. We'll look at the side structure first. As you can tell, the bottom level is actually going to be a parking garage. It looks like it could be anywhere in the realms of 40 plus parking spaces. If we continue up, you'll see there's a second level there, which is where the rooms actually start. And you can see a massive water complex, a mini water park, you can say. There is another water park to the left, or another pool to the left, but you can't see it on this sketch. You can see it on a different one. And as you climb up, you'll see 4 stories of rooms. Now, right where we were just recording, the wind kind of hit me a little bit, but you'll notice that they ripped off all of the siding, all of the, it looked like it was some kind of brickwork, and it looks like there's something wrong with the structure of the building because they added in all of these pieces of wood that's holding up the building. Now, it goes all the way to the top, and when we put the drone up later, you'll be able to see it even better, but for some reason, it looks like there's something wrong with the structure of the building. Now, I did speak to someone that works at the motel next door who said that the construction actually stopped due to them having an issue with the supports to support the water park on top. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but it would make sense because construction started back up, at least for things around New Jersey, a few months ago. So, I mean, it does make a little sense. And here's just a different view of the supports. You can see them down here. And as you go up, look at them all inside, right? They really, I don't know if they're going to lift it or are they fixing the supports down here. I really don't know. And they're getting even more delivered here. You can see these ones just came in. And these are the kind of supports that they're using underneath. You can see they actually match. So I'm assuming that they're going to use all of these ones to continue all the way that way. Here's the original sign. I know they're trying to donate it to the museum. But hey, I'll take it and put it in my house and fix it up. Get ABS signs on there. Get it relit. I'm pretty sure most of the neon still works. They had it lit for a lot of the summer. This is now looking down the alleyway. Not too much work you can see over here. Let me show you what the new front of the building is going to look like. So this is the before, and here comes the after. That's right, they're going to add that new building on the left-hand side. While we're in the front of the building, let's talk about the first floor. You can see there's going to be a little bit of a lobby with 2 elevators going up, and the very bottom of it is all parking. The next blueprint shows this is the new proposed 5-story building with 15 units right at the west part of the building. This is the top looking down. You can see the water park structure, and that second story, that's a second story right there where the actual water park is going to be. And there is the other pool. And look how massive the pool is going to be. It's going to be 61 feet by 23 feet. And the rest on the back end there is that sun deck. So now we're moving to the back of the motel, and you can see that they completely gutted the building. It's been like this for a few months now. Let me show you what it's going to look like once it's done. Take a look at this. Yeah, it's nice, especially with the deck open. You can see all the way to that water park structure. I wonder if they're going to be fixing supports. Maybe that's why it's completely bare down. They're going to use those down there to support it while they're fixing that. At the same time, though, if they were only fixing the ones underneath, they wouldn't have to support the entire upstairs. And here's just another view from walking on the other side. You can see the supports are very, very rusted out. Now, it's a little windy, but let's get the drone in the sky for you. See from the video, there's a ton of supports in there. It's completely gutted, which is interesting because we just did one about the Singapore, a video about the Singapore not too long ago, and that was also gutted. It's weird to see two motels gutted at the same time, but it looks like they have a lot of work to go. There's a lot of work to go. We'll still be giving you guys updates probably once a month or if something big happens. So make sure you are subscribed, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. And thank you again to my Patreons, those who actually support this channel so that I can spend hours on end researching things and getting you guys videos like this. You too can become a Patreon. You can click the link in the link below, actually in the description, and there's cool perks. You can go ahead and get coupons and discounts and behind the scenes photos, and you can have your name at the end of the video. Anyway, I'm Joey, and as always, I'll see you guys on the beach. I'll see you later. Bye.
Let's look to see what we're going to do. Strand! I heard you.